I'm sure this nigga has like more than 2K in his bank account right now. 2K man, if it's, let's say close to 10, dog. Close to 10K right now. But I can just take the money and not pay niggas, bro. And not pay back niggas, you know? You know what I'm saying? Niggas actually trust me with their money. What if I don't pay niggas money back? Hey, niggas, you're trusting the wrong person over here. Ngizokukhokhela dog, siyaphela vele inyanga mfethu. Hey, awe, echopa unganomkhulu songo sogodu mathamnandi. Njengoshukela shit and I'm back. Njengomhlane and I'm back with another video, you know what? Yes sir guys, you know what I'm saying? Yes sir, I'm back. I haven't been posting for like 2 weeks. Been busy guys, I'm busy as fuck, yo, but I'm trying, you know, I'm trying, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Just subscribe for your boy to watch more videos, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, bye. So today guys, we are actually I'm gonna be calling my friends, dog. It's been a long time ngingawenza ama video kanje, is like prank videos or like ama videos, you know. I've been out like doing vlogs, parties and stuff, you know, yeah, those type of shit. But now I'm going back to square one, you feel me? Yes sir. So today I was like chilling at home, so I was like, let me dial this thing, actually. You know, it just came to my mind. I was like, yeah, for sure, why not? So today I'm gonna be actually doing a video, like asking my friends, like abangan bami for imali, dog. A certain type of money, like I don't know, maybe like 3 clipper, and I'm gonna see what's bazonginika yini. Because I'm gonna tell them what I'm really desperate right now. I really need the money. Wara. Yeah. Let's hope what's bazonginika face. Just to see what's, yeah, ngiyathembela kuba. But then sikhumbule ukuthi right now mfethu inyanga itshekile, it's about like 23 namhlanje. So I think abantu abaningi abanayo man. But we're just gonna do it, bro. We're just gonna do it anyways, you feel me? Yeah. Who are we calling first? Yeah, I think we're gonna be calling the doctor of the dope, one of my friends, Dr. Dope. We're gonna be calling him first, because I know most of the time usuke nayi man. But then ngenze ukuthi akanayo face. I know my nigga is packed, bro. It's packed. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we're gonna call him first and then yeah, let's dial him. Let's hope uzoyibamba face, cause the nigga is always busy, dog. You know what I'm saying? Niggas trying to get money, bro. Alright, ring. Sure boy. Moja poezini. Ukuphi face?
Claro.
Ngathi emgwaqeni nje pho uyadrive yini?
Uyazi. Konke ngizoyipick up fast bese ngiyahamba.
Alright boy.
Ngithunywe wona class.
Alright boy. Face yazi bese nginenkinga la, bese ngidinga u3 clipper fast kanjani face?
Sini doyimo, wadingana liyakufani ke nawe.
Face yazi na futhi. Ngiyacela face yazi futhi konke ephuthumayo vele yaqhamuka boy.
Awuqala noma 10 minutes uzengiye mina boss uthini ngalothi nginamalini. Ngalokufonela nje manje ukuthi ngimile.
Alright boy, showcase.
Alright, much.
I told you, the nigga is packed, guys. I'm sure this nigga has like more than 2K in his bank account right now. 2K man, it is. Let's say close to 10, dog. Close to 10K right now. I'm sure, or even more, boy.
Cap.
Hey, this nigga is packed, guys. I'm not saying unemali ngaleyo nto kodwa nje mfethu imali uhleze nayo, you know what I'm saying? He said he's gonna call me in 10 minutes. I know that's capped. He's not gonna call me. It's either I call him, no, I'm just letting go like that. But I'm gonna tell them on WhatsApp eventually what Cyber Face I was doing for the video, what I want. And Nabaza Ibonela on my video when I'm posting it, you told me. Yeah. Let's dial a second one right now. Let's dial a second one. Who are we dialing? Who are we dialing right now? Let's dial Umbuso. Umbuso is one of my niggas. One of my niggas, Umbuso vets ngimthembile naye vets. It's ma uthi vets uthakanayo uzobenga naye ngempela. Kodwa I know ukuthi uma enayo uzonginika for sure. I'm 100% sure. Kodwa mayengenayo but vets ngiyangitshekile guys. But right now I'm trying to tap the number in and then we call him. Okay. But usemakhaya lo mjida lo. He just vibe like we were checking inkomo zakuwe and stuff. You know? So noma if it's network right in emakhaya. But let's check him out. Let's check it. I guess he's not answering this one. Bro is not answering. It's fine. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. It's fine. When I dial others, they like, okay, let's try Ukitso Navy for sure. Sure, nigga. Yeah, now I'm cheating. It's in my lunata. I don't lie. I mean, if it's bad now, it's just that, you know. I don't know, bruh. Nimzeli kiaruta akufana nami like ulokhuzana. Oh shit. Akufana nami ukuboleka imali. I don't usually do that, ukuboleka imali face hey. Abantu okubuka ngenye indlela face wena usuboleka imali njalo uboleka imali wara. Hey face hey. I rather kuyiboleka mhlawumbe kumuntu wasendlini noma umuntu ongaziyo if it's like I'm really close to face who knows my situations and stuff. This one straight to voicemail. Straight to voicemail. It's fine. Okay, let's try okay, Caesar's gonna answer, I know. Let's try calling Caesar right now. Hey, niggas have a lot of numbers, dog. I don't know what niggas do with these numbers. Like you're a dreadlord or something, you have 20 numbers, 20 SIM cards. Okay, this one is ringing. Hey, this nigga is skilled, but uzongibamba nje say ukuthi I'm capping. Sure, boy. Hambani. Mojulele boy. Oh, alright, boy. Face. Ngesimesiphuthuma kanjani la face? Hayi bo mfethu usiyanda mfethu my bro. Awusevanga? Oh. Oh, alright boy. Face hasn't. Ngishoda ngo3 clip kanjani phela lana mfethu ukunika nje makuphela inyanga dog. Yeah, mfethu kuyaphuthuma mfethu. Hey, sekuqhamuka isimo esiphuthuma kabi. Mfethu ngiyacela mfethu ungizama mfethu siyaphela vele inyanga manje mfethu ngizokudalela. So ngizokusendela ku WhatsApp nje manje mfethu ngitshele ukuthi kanjani mfethu. Yazi nawe hlezi nemali baba. Alright boy, ngizokhuluma ku-WhatsApp manje boy. Sure. See, lo mjida ngihlala naye endlini. Sasirentile like we were schooling at college, so we didn't want to invite to stay at rest, so sahamba sayorenta naye dog. Yo, niggas still have my bag dog. After a year, cause this was a year ago dog. A year ago. Bro, niggas still have my bag, bro. Know what I'm saying? I cool. I'ma tell him on WhatsApp, but nah, bro. I'm just kidding. I don't really need the money right now. But I can just take the money and not pay niggas, bro. And not pay back niggas, you know? You know what I'm saying? Niggas have money out there, boy. Okay, let's try another one right now. Barcode. That's one of my niggas who's packed, guys. Niggas packed. This one, I'm telling you, Abamazi, nigga is packed, they say. Barcode. When we talk about the barcode, bruh, we're talking about it's Levi's, dog. You know what I'm saying? I'm just joking, niggas. I'm just joking, man. Let's try. Barcode, you call him up here. We call him barcode. Yo.
1 minute remaining.
Sure, boy. Moja, vez. Ukuphi boy? Alright boy, mfethu vese khona isimo esiphuthumayo kanjani mfethu ngishoda ngo2 clip la mfethu angani noma ungakwazi ungizama mfethu ngizokunika mfethu siyaphela vele inyanga manje.
Aqinisele yaphela kodwa phela awungitshela uzonginika nini.
Makuphela inyanga boyzini mfethu ngiyacela mfethu kuyaphuthuma. Hayi bufethu yanje nawe uthi angise umuntu oboleka imali dog. Dog, mfethu ngikutshela ngizokusendela ama details ku WhatsApp mfethu ngiyacela boyzini.
Alright kazi kodwa ngazi noma nginayo.
Mfethu alright mfethu so ngizozwa ngawe.
Sendela ama details.
Alright boy, showcase.
Airtime is exhausted.
Airtime is gone. But yeah, dog, yo, niggas trust me with their money, dog. Niggas trust me with their money, boy. Okay, let me just collect that airtime right here. It's tough, guys, you know. Gotta collect that airtime. I don't have airtime right now. It's tough, but yeah. Niggas actually trust me with their money. What if I don't pay niggas money back? Hey, niggas, you're trusting the wrong person over here.
Joke.
I'm joking, niggas. Trust me. I know niggas gonna be watching my videos, bro. I'm joking, niggas. I'm joking. Trust me.
A few moments later.
Okay, yeah, we're back. I just collect the airtime right now to call niggas. You know. Okay, let's try other niggas now. Okay, let's try dope. Another nigga, Dope Saints. You know. Dope Saints, he's also a musician. He also dollar music, the hip hop and stuff. So yeah, I know this nigga is gonna dollar something if you know it's a voicemail or it's ringing. Like whenever you need money, call these niggas or call your friends, call your girls or something. You know what I'm saying? Don't you wanna have niggas like that by your side? Not those ones who's gonna share by you every time. Hey, this one is going straight to voice, dog. Sure, boy. Except dope friend. Moja boy, except if doesn't think usizo lakho kanjani dog, ngidinga imali engango2 clip la face khona isimo esiphuthumayo ezwe saqhamuka. Less dog. But ngizokukhokhela dog, isiyaphela vele inyanga mfethu. Alright boy, ayikho ighost mfethu, no sweat dog. Showcase. This nigga, he say he's less, dog. I won't lie. And the nigga saying he's gonna send you proof and stuff, nigga telling, he's not telling cap, dog. He's not capping. He's being straight with you. So niggas, some niggas don't have money right now. They're waiting for the month end, just like me, dog. You know. But yeah, it's gonna come together, bruh. Nigga, I know niggas was gonna give me, cause one time he actually dollared me some money, you know. So yeah, I know the nigga was gonna give me if he had. Okay, who else? I think we're calling the last person now. Okay, let's try with Champ. Hey, Champ, hey, dog, you know. People who knows Champ, niggas always trying for money, dog. But this one is one of my closest friends, dog. One of the friends I used to stay with in Ashwino and stuff. You know, so yeah. Nigga actually trusts me with his money, but I don't think he have money. Oh my God! I mean, essentially cool now. So I don't think the nigga.
Not available at the moment.
Yes. For the day, shout for the day. I got some niggas. Niggas are busy, dog. Niggas are busy. They not sitting around and waiting for my call. They're trying to make money. You know, niggas are chasing money out there, boys. Yeah. So, guys, tell me, advise me. Should I take the niggas' money, bro? Like, should I take their money and then tell them, Mootsie, I'm not gonna pay them? What? It's fucked up, bro. It's fucked up. I'm just gonna tell them straight, dog. Now I was highlighting something. I just wanted to see, you know. I don't know what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna tell the niggas it's nah, bro. I don't really need the money. Or I should just take the money.
Stop it.
No! God, please, no!
And pay them whenever I can. But I said month end, so I'm actually making equality for myself. Nah, bro. Nah, brother. I'm not doing that. I don't need squeletos right now. So yeah. Exit, subscribe below, you know, for another video, for more videos from Ungwa Nomkhulu shit, you know. So yeah, catch you next time. It's your boy Ungwa Nomkhulu, usonga usogodi umathamnandi njengoshukela shit. Yes sir.